The popcorn you're eating has been pissed in. Film at 11.
This just in, Honda apparently has released a car with more broken parts. In an absolutely unsurprising move, well, kind of surprising, Honda has found out that they have more defective parts in their Honda Insight. From rattling vents to impellers in fuel pumps that explode or fall apart, we now have breaking news of a warranty extension on the AC condenser. Apparently, the AC condensers were not built properly in 2019 to 2021 Honda Insights, or at least some of them. They can leak, freon, and stop working. Now, Honda, after being caught with their pants down, has suddenly decided that they're going to add an extra 10 years warranty with unlimited miles if your AC compressor should fail. Well, AC condenser should fail. Sorry, there was a little errata. We had to put that back. So, if your air conditioning isn't working correctly, go immediately to your Honda dealer, have its AC condenser checked to make sure it is not leaking. Honda has made it quite clear that they will not cover any damage caused by road debris. Only if it falls apart, because apparently they can't make a car that doesn't fall apart. All right. All things aside on this is actually pretty good news. Is Honda doing this out of the love of their hearts? No. But it is a good business move, and it's actually good for us consumers in this case. Apparently, some of the condensers for the air conditioning in the 2019 through 2021 Honda Insights were built incorrectly and can corrode and leak. What's nice about this is if this happens to you within the next 10 years, whether you have 100 miles on your car or whether you have 250,000 miles on a car, it is covered under warranty. This is actually, in my opinion, an extremely generous response. So generous, or at least they must be shitting their pants so much they decide to send paperwork to half of us letting us know about this. Now, this is not news for a lot of you, this situation, but I thought I'd put it up at least on a YouTube video for people who generally aren't interested in going to forums. They just want to, check on stuff, and they like watching my channel. Why anybody does, I don't know, but some people do. And let everyone know, at least let it know, and have a formal video that tells people about this condenser issue. As I said earlier, also, this is only for defects. If you go in and it looks like a rock hit it, they'll be able to tell, or they'll lie. Depends on the dealership. Then they will take care of the condenser if it's been damaged due to, say, a stone hitting it, which is something that can and probably does happen quite a bit. Obviously, you're on your own for a new condenser. At least, hopefully, the new one won't be manufactured improperly until we find out that our engines are going to fall out because the engines were improperly built. So this is the end of this little news report. It was kind of stupid. Yeah, I know. But I thought it was important for everybody who hasn't gotten a letter, or other people who just don't go around looking into any of this, to know about this extension of warranty. I believe this only goes for 2019 and 2021s. Any of you guys who bought a brand new one that's listed as a 2022, you probably already have a properly made condenser. I seriously doubt it. Or, I'm sure something else will fall apart, whatever. But either way, it's good news that they see this problem and they are owning up to it. A lot of people have been kind of upset that there have been a fair number of recalls and so forth. It's not really recalls. It's more of an extension of warranty just in case. But it's better that they call these things out and let us know about them, even if there are a lot of them, then they don't acknowledge that they exist at all. I believe they acknowledge that there is a rattle in some of these vents, but it's not often enough or big enough of an issue for them to to go all out and list it to all their customers. But I just wanted to let you guys know, so we had it on the record. And that's all I got to say for today. Ready out.